This homeowner wanted to recreate the floor's original color. To achieve this, we created samples directly on the floor next to the old shade that was left behind for comparison. Once the color was approved and signed off on, the homeowner had to decide between a satin or semi-gloss finish. To match the original color, we created a special custom blend of 1 part golden oak and 5 parts oil-based polyurethane. This formula gave the floor the exact color the client envisioned, and they were thrilled with the end result. With the sanding complete, we applied the first coat of polyurethane with the custom stain blend, and after it cured, we screened the surface to ensure proper adhesion before applying the second coat or final coat of polyurethane. The result, a flawless, beautifully restored hardwood floor, and most importantly, a very happy homeowner. I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and this has been another episode of The Floor Whisperer. Thanks for joining us on this project. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with family and friends who might need expert hardwood flooring solutions. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.